Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean the insert for your crock pot, just the easiest and quickest way possible. If you're new to this channel, I like to share all things to make cleaning simple, easy, quick. I test homemade cleaners all the time, but today I'm actually using a store-bought, which is going to be this Easy Off spray. This is actually for ovens. I use it for all things. However, today I'm going to be using it to clean the inside of my crock pot. I'm doing this outside on my deck. You can do this in the grass, wherever. Just know that this Easy Off is pretty powerful. If you have to do this inside, I would definitely recommend doing it on top of newspapers or something so you don't ruin your counters. Don't get this on your floor. That's why I'm doing it outside. And then you're going to go ahead and leave this sit somewhere where your kids can't get it or pets aren't going to get into this. So I'm going to go ahead and shake up my Easy Off and give the inside of this crock pot a really good spray. It can be really hard to get off these burnt off pieces and things that fall in here. I've learned that this is just the quickest way to do this. I'm also going to be spraying the outside of my crock pot just a little bit in some of these areas, like over here where stuff has built up. I'm just making sure I'm not getting the cord, so I'm pulling it off over here. I'm going to prop this up outside where my kids can't get it, my dogs aren't going to get in it. I'm also going to go get the top to put on top of this. And I'm going to let this sit for anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, just depending on how bad the inside of your crock pot is. I'm going to let mine sit for 2 hours. I'm going to come back and hopefully everything should just wipe away real nice and easy like. I carried my crock pot back inside now. This has actually been sitting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 hours. I kind of forgot about it, but it's all cool. I'm just going to take my rag and start to wipe off the crusties. I just went ahead and finished wiping this out. I took a wet washcloth and kind of wiped it all, scraped everything off. The one thing I do know with using the Easy Off is you have to rinse whatever you use it on really well. So I made sure that I got all that residue off with that wet washcloth, because otherwise you can like smell the chemical. If I were to put my crock pot insert back in here and start to heat this up, you can smell it. So if you do that and you start to smell this chemical smell, I would suggest just stopping and giving this another good wipe down. You'll know right away, trust me. The outside's all clean, and then I just took a regular old dry washcloth and rinsed it out, and it's good to go. It looks brand new. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out some of my other videos that I'll link down below for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.